So, ngayon, from here sa unit namin na 2H, ipapasyal ko naman kayo ngayon sa mismong clubhouse. Okay? So, ito doon. So, we're on a pathway going to the elevator. Yeah. We're going to press down. Yeah. Just wait. Ouch. Iwanan tayo ng isa. So, dito tayo sa isa. Going down. Okay. Oops. Wow, may bumalik. Dito ulit tayo. Yan. We're here in an elevator. We're going down. This elevator consists of 12 floors. Yan. 12. We're going down. So, again, we're on Tower 3. Carlton 3, and from this view, this is the lobby of the Carlton 3, and as you can see, ayan yung swimming pool. Nandyan yung swimming pool. Here, ayan may nagsasunbathing. There is the swimming pool, and then the clubhouse. So, from here, sa lobby ng Carlton 3, we're going out. Okay? This is the lobby of Carlton 3. Yan. Carlton 3. Okay. Ito yung parking na sinasabi ko before. Parking. Entrance ng parking. Yan. Parking. Tapos, from entrance ng parking, yung clubhouse is on the left side. Left side. Here. Left side. Here. Oops. I'm going to take a video of the clubhouse. I'm just going to take a video of the clubhouse. Where is the clubhouse of Carlton? I'm making a document eh. No, because I let the picture on. If you're going to swim, you have to log here, and then you should put your unit number. This is the whole swimming pool. And we're going upstairs. Sa pinakang view. Yan. We're going to clubhouse. Actually, yung clubhouse natin has a public gym. And before that, meron ditong playground wherein your kids can play. Oops. Here. Yay! This is wherein your kids can play if they don't want to swim. Okay? If they don't like to swim, then they can play here. Now, we're going to the clubhouse. This one. This one is a function room where you can rent, for example, Debu or something. Yeah. This one is a function room. Function room. This clubhouse is a 2-story building. Downstairs is a function room and also 2 restrooms. There's 2 restrooms. This is for the ladies and for the men. And then we're going up. Stairs, 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 stairs. Yan. Here in second floor is also open space also for function room plus a gym. Gym is public. Yeah. Here's the gym. Gym. Actually, dun sa log na nakita nyo kanina, you can log there if you're going to swim or just using the gym. Yeah, there's a weight here. Okay, so we're on the top of the swimming pool of the clubhouse, I'm sorry. And here is the top view. As you can see, there is the playground. If you can see that, that is an island. Where before I think pwede yung paglutuan. Because there's a like lavabo or something. And there's a bridge over the island, and that one is for kids. And dun etong ano na to, yan yung nakikita natin kanina, yung sa may lobby ng Carlton Tree. So that's it. Ito yung swimming pool. Okay. Hope you like it. Enjoy watching.